Hello students. In last videos we have discussed the internal structure of heart. We have discussed SA node and AV node, and today we are going to discuss the working of the heart. And before that we have to draw the diagram of heart once again. So today we are going to discuss working of heart. Heart is divided into two chamber and it is tilted little towards left side. Wait, I have to rub this part again. That's okay. This is right auricle. This one is the right auricle, and this region is folded and this form right ventricle. Here we have left auricle, and left ventricle is folded so these are the right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. Now blood enters into heart, and blood whenever enters, it always enters in auricle region, and whenever blood goes from the heart, it always goes from ventricle region. Blood enters in heart through three blood vessels. This is superior vena cava. This one is superior vena cava. Superior vena cava collect blood from the region which is above the heart. This one is inferior vena cava, which carry blood from the region which is below the heart. And here at the internal interauricular septum we have another opening, and this another opening is called coronary sinus. So let's do like this: part 1, part 2, and this is a part 3. So part 1 is superior vena cava, part 2 is inferior vena cava, part 3 is coronary sinus. Coronary sinus carry blood from the wall of the heart. Okay, now here we have this part 4. Here we have tricuspid valve, and tricuspid valve allow blood to pass from auricle to ventricle, and it prevents the backflow of blood from right ventricle to right auricle. From here a tube will arise this one. This is known as part 5, pulmonary artery. Why pulmonary artery? Pulmonary because it carries blood to lungs, and artery because it carry blood from the heart. So it give blood to lungs, it open into lungs, and from here two smaller veins enters into the left auricle, and these two pulmonary veins, these are known as pulmonary veins. Number 6 are pulmonary veins. So from each side one pulmonary artery will arise and carry deoxygenated blood. It carry deoxygenated blood to lungs, and in lungs it will give carbon dioxide and collect the oxygen back, and this oxygenated blood enters from two pulmonary vein, and two pulmonary vein from right side and two from the left side enter into left auricle. Now when the left auricle is filled with blood, पूरी तरीके से blood से भर जाता है, then it exert pressure on this bicuspid valve. This region is bicuspid valve. Okay, this bicuspid valve opens and allow the blood to enter into left ventricle. Now in left ventricle, when the left ventricle is full of blood, it power the blood from here to entire body. So from here a tube will arise. यहाँ से एक ट्यूब arise होगी. And it carry oxygenated blood to the entire body. This is called aorta. So aorta is the main artery which carry blood from heart to entire body. Okay, and at the end of this aorta there is a semilunar valve. This semilunar valve prevent the entry of backflow of blood फ्रॉम एओर्टा टू वेंट्रिकल. ये एओर्टा से वेंट्रिकल में ब्लड को नहीं आने देगा. सो दिस वन इज एओर्टा के अंदर है इसलिए एओर्टिक, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ शेप इट इज सेमीलुनार वॉल्व. इट इज नोन एज एओर्टिक सेमीलुनार वॉल्व. नाउ दिस एओर्टिक सेमीलुनार वॉल्व प्रिवेंट द एंट्री ऑफ ब्लड फ्रॉम एओर्टा टू वेंट्रिकल बैक. यहाँ पे वेंट्रिकल में ये ब्लड को नहीं आने देगा. क्लियर. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर द ब्लड विल सप्लाई टू द इंटायर बॉडी. लाइक वी हैव एओर्टा, सिमिलरली वी हैव कोरोनरी आर्टरी, एंड कोरोनरी आर्टरी सप्लाई ब्लड टू द वॉल ऑफ द हार्ट. ये वॉल ऑफ द हार्ट में ब्लड सप्लाई करती है. क्लियर. सो ब्लड एंटर्स इनटू हार्ट थ्रू दिस superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and coronary sinus. Okay, and when this is filled with this right auricle, this chamber is filled with blood. It exerts pressure on tricuspid valve, and now blood enter into right ventricle. Now right ventricle will contract, सिकुड़ेगा, and pour the blood into pulmonary artery. Pulmonary word is related with lungs. Artery क्यों बोला? Because it carries blood from the heart. Now blood enters through pulmonary vein. This is the oxygenated blood, and this oxygenated blood enters into left auricle. In left auricle there is a bicuspid valve, so that bicuspid valve allow blood to flow into left ventricle, and from left ventricle blood supply to entire body via this aorta. यदि मैं एओर्टा को दिखाऊं तो आपको अच्छे से अभी ऐसे समझ में आ जाएगा. This one is aorta. Okay, so now let's have another diagram in which we will discuss only circulation process, no more labeling we will do. So this is heart. Okay, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, coronary sinus, tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, okay, simple diagram. So blood enters from these veins. This is a deoxygenated blood. Now this auricle is filled with blood. Now it exert pressure on tricuspid valve. This open and allow blood enter into right ventricle. From right ventricle a tube will arise which carry deoxygenated blood. Now this deoxygenated blood, this arise from here, okay, and it carry blood to lungs. This is pulmonary artery and it carries blood to lungs. In lungs it will give carbon dioxide, become oxygenated, and from here blood enter back through pulmonary vein. At the end of it there is a semilunar valve. This is called pulmonary semilunar valve, which prevent the backflow of blood from this pulmonary vein artery to right ventricle. Now here the blood enter into left auricle, and when this left auricle filled with blood, it exert pressure on bicuspid valve. This blood enter into left ventricle, and from here a blood vessel arise, and this is the main blood vessel of our body, that is called aorta. This aorta carry blood to the entire body. ये पूरी body को blood लेके जा रही है, except to lungs, because lungs is already having oxygenated blood. And at the end of this there is a aortic semilunar valve which prevent the backflow of blood from aorta to different left ventricle. Now there are lot many questions. Question number 1 is why the wall of ventricle is thick. Wall of ventricle is thick to create a pressure. See, this aorta has to pump the blood to entire body. This aorta has to pump blood to the against the gravity, so it need a great pressure, and to provide that pressure there is a thick wall of ventricle, so it can have a great pressure. यदि यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम कम होगा तो प्रेशर ज़्यादा होगा, प्रेशर ज़्यादा होगा तो इट कैन एक्सर्ट प्रेशर टू द इंटायर बॉडी. प्रेशर के साथ में ब्लड जो है वो पूरी की पूरी बॉडी में सप्लाई हो जाएगा. नाउ इफ वी कंपेयर लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल एंड राइट वेंट्रिकल, राइट वेंट्रिकल इज लेस थिक, कंपैरेटिवली कम थिक होता है. रीजन, फ्रॉम हियर ब्लड इज सपोज टू गो टू लंग्स ओनली, सिर्फ लंग्स तक जाना है. They need pressure because they are also sending blood to against the gravity, but in comparison of this they require less pressure. Auricular valve are very thin because auricle has to pump blood to the next chamber only, इसलिए इनको कम blood की requirement होती है, sorry कम pressure की requirement होती है. So this is one of the question. How many chambers are there? There are 4 chambers, right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle, and they are separated by the septum, interauricular septum, interventricular septum. How many blood vessels are there which carry blood to the heart? 3. One is superior vena cava, one is inferior vena cava, and one was here, that is coronary sinus. They carry deoxygenated blood. There are 4 pulmonary vein, they carry oxygenated blood. Now blood vessels that leave the heart, जो heart को छोड़ के जाते हैं, one is pulmonary artery and one is aorta. These are the 2 main arteries which leave the blood from the heart. How many kind of valves are there? There are 4 kind of valve. One is tricuspid valve between right auricle and right ventricle. It is also known as right auricular ventricular valve. This one is the second, bicuspid valve. This is known as left auricular ventricular valve. Clear? And another one is this. This is pulmonary semilunar valve. This one is aortic semilunar valve. These are the total number of valves. Now, if we are talking about the blood flow, there is a 2 condition. One is diastole condition and one is the systole condition. Systole condition or systole phase is the phase in which heart power the blood. Heart से जब blood बाहर जाता है, that situation is known as systole, and when the heart receive blood, that situation is known as diastole. So diastole when the heart chamber dilate, फैल जाता है. एंड सिस्टोल मीन्स सिकुड़ना, मतलब उसका सिकुड़ना नहीं है, याद करने के लिए है. इन ड्यूरिंग सिस्टोल हार्ट वॉल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड द ब्लड विल पावर फ्रॉम द हार्ट. तो व्हेन इट रिसीव ब्लड, जब इसने ऑरिकल ने ब्लड रिसीव किया, दिस सिचुएशन इज नोन एज ऑरिकुलर डायस्टोल. व्हेन ऑरिकुलर सिस्टोल विल बी देयर, ऑरिकल सिकुड़ेगा, it create pressure and exert the blood into right ventricle. Now the right ventricle come in a diastole condition, it become relax, it become dilate. When it will power the blood from right ventricle to pulmonary artery, then right ventricle has to systole. It will come in systole condition, it will come in the contraction and power the blood from here to pulmonary artery. So in next video we are going to discuss diastolic pressure and systolic pressure along with lump and dub sound. But you need to understand when the heart receive blood, that time pressure is less, while when the heart power the blood, जब वो निकालता है, that time it exerts more pressure because उसको बाहर भेजने के लिए, ब्लड को बाहर भेजने के लिए they require more pressure. सो जब वो रिसीव करता है, दैट कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड डायस्टोलिक कंडीशन. डायस्टोल, सो डायस्टोल, डी फॉर डायस्टोल, डी फॉर डायलेट, फैलना. एंड अनदर वन इज द सिस्टोल कंडीशन. सिस्टोल, सिस्टोल, सिस इज आई मीन सिकुड़ना. सिस्टोल मीन्स सिकुड़ना. तो उसमें क्या होगा, हार्ट चैम्बर विल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट and create a pressure, because of that the blood can go out. जो हम बात करते हैं ना, ऊपर का प्रेशर, ब्लड प्रेशर इतना, नीचे का ब्लड प्रेशर कम है, तो जो ऊपर का ब्लड प्रेशर है वो सिस्टोल है, जो नीचे का ब्लड प्रेशर है वो डायस्टोल है. So in next video we will discuss more in detail about diastole, systole, love sound and dub sound. Till then, take care, goodbye.